Hey guys, it's Will. So BigBear.ai just crashed big time, about 18% after hours, and this is something we have to pay attention to. It's starting to recover a little bit, but is this a bigger widespread sell-off in tech, or is this something that we should be concerned about from BigBear.ai perspective? What we see is that it completely broke pattern so far. See the sell-off start to happen. It's now into territory that's pretty uncharted. We don't know that it's going to be a free fall, but you can see that it started to sell off. So look at that chart there. Look at that. It's down to this almost previous support at $6.50. Let's take a look at the news. Why it crashed today is the question. The overall market, you can see AI is fairly down today. You see these red, see a lot of the markets down. You got Micron's down, robotics are down. Rocket Lab, Palantir was down 14% today. Look at that. Look at that drop. And then some of the companies that we covered, like GRRR, were up. We covered them earlier. Serve Robotics was up 11% after some of what was a crash. And you see that Bitcoin was doing okay. AMD was up. Overall, SPY was doing all right. Some of big tech was okay. You see Google was up a little bit there. And yeah, still Rocket Lab, wow, 6% down. So you got to look at these things and ask yourself, in AI, is this just a wider market sell-off? I'd say so. You can see Tesla, it's been selling off. It from the high that it's been at. If we take a look here in Tesla, it's just been selling off regardless of what market conditions we've seen with the Fed. We saw some optimistic sharing on inflation, that we might have better inflation reports than what we were anticipating, and that there is some charts you could look at. Look at that trend. It almost looks like Tesla's about to continue this sell-off. And so when we're looking at BigBear.ai, 15% sell-off is large. $7 is still high. This is the crazy part about this. We've been covering it since under $2. So I'm not shook right now. I will say I'm not shook, but this does get out of that hyper bull trend euphoria that we were in there with BigBear.ai. With this sell-off, you can see it already started to recover. It dropped down to about, what is that? $6.74 before recovering to what is $7 in that after hours market. Now you can see it's at this previous support where it kind of bounced. We'll see if it holds right now. No indication that it's not going to continue in the direction it's going. I would imagine it will. And this is something that's interesting too. We've kind of looked at the trend as well. It seemed overextended. We could see this trend here. It seemed like this would be more of, if it's going to break out, where it would find support and where it should work out of. And it's not unhealthy to see this sell off. I know 16%, it's kind of a big deal for some people. And personally, I was in a small position here on BigBear.ai. I still have some positions. I'm not too happy about it, but with the average price on our long-term hold of $2.80, I'm okay. But still, down from $10.50 to $7. So what news do they have out? Massive news for BigBear.ai. Of course, they got all the hype articles, things like that. There is nothing that has come out recently that has really caused any difference in BigBear.ai. There's nothing that's come out in the last 4 hours or anything like that I see. There's someone that has a smaller position where they basically sold $66,000. That's probably an automated article. I mean, we're not talking about a big amount of that. You can see Amanda Long sold 66,000 shares on January 6th. That was pretty far back there, around 297,000. I don't think there's any big bear news that indicates why this would be a sell-off. When you look at the chart, though, it does seem like, hey, it's kind of healthy. I don't want to say it's healthy if you're down, but the AI market trends pulling it down is not too surprising. It's right there with Palantir, and we know that they are partners, and that could be also what dragged it down today. My verdict today for what I think with Big Bear, I think that it could hold this level. We'll see. Right now, no indication that it's going to reverse If we go down on the 30, or let's say like a 30 minutes look at Big Bear, there's no indication. It's just been selling off. So right now, I would indicate a hold. I would say long term, of course, we could see some buy from buy materials, definitely some buy analysts out there. But you guys want my opinion? I would say that this is a company right now that if short-term volatility is scary to you, then you might want to just hold off, maybe avoid BigBear.ai. If you're looking for some opportunities, maybe to buy the dip or to trade it in this volatility options or things like that, this could make a lot of sense for you. These are the types of moves that we could see a big rebound tomorrow at market open, and we'll see what happens. Are you guys buying and selling Big Bear? Let me know in the description or the comment section below. Is actually what I meant, not the description. But in the description, the second link in the description is StockMate. If you want to join us in our market live session tomorrow at market open, 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, we cover these stocks and trade them live at market open. You can also surround yourself with other traders and investors, get some learning materials in stocks, options, and crypto. It's the second link down below. So guys, check out some of this move and see what you think and comment. I want to know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one. If I earned your thumbs up, hit that like button. Do consider subscribing. See you guys in the next one. Take care.